Right, hello guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you how to create Google Forms, okay, and extract a Google Sheet out of it, so that as people give their responses, you are able to see the responses, and then you can connect your analytical to the Google Sheets and do your analysis. And because people are responding in real time, you can create an automated Power BI reports by connecting Power BI to the Google Sheets extracted from the form. So let's create the form. So if you're wondering why this video is for one of our VTSs, virtual tester session here at Nebiant Analytics. And if you are watching this video much later in the future, then do well to visit our YouTube page and you'd see the recording of that particular session. So it's going to be titled Automating Your Reports Using Power BI and Google Sheets. Okay, so how do you create a Google form and extract a Google Sheet from it? This is the video to do that. Okay, so let's get into it. So open your browser, open your Google Chrome, okay, and I want you to click here, this app drawer here, apps, this 9 dots here, click on that and you see forms, click on forms. Now, once you click on forms, all you need to do is to click on blank form. I want to create a blank form. So let's click on blank form. Now, once I click on blank form, I can start to input the questions I want to ask, people respond. So now this question, okay, the questions I will be putting here specifically to the case study we'll be treating in 8 years. Okay, like I said earlier, you're watching this much later in the future. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube page, go through our videos, and you see the recording to that particular session. Okay, now once you want to create this form for a travel agency to extract data, to get data from customers. Okay, so this will help us understand our customer behavior and preferences in general. Okay, so I need the age, I need their preferred location. Okay, I need their travel mode and their budget. That's all I need to be able to understand their preferences. So now the first question I would ask is age. So I'll click in there and put age. Of course, the title of the form, let me change the title to travel preference. Okay, travel preference. Travel preference. So I'll change it to travel preference. That's not how to spell preference. Okay, travel preference. All right. So travel, after I've done that, I can click back here, that registers it there. So age. So now it's currently in short answer. So people can type in anything. People can type in a text, people can type in something. All right. So I want to define the kind of answer I want people to put in here so that I don't end up running into issues. You don't want to create issues for yourself, okay, because of the kind of form that you've created. So I'll click on these 3 dots here, more options. So response validation. So I want to set valid, a range within which responses are valid. So I'll click on response, okay, and I want it to be number, okay, I want it to be a number. So I'll leave it at number. Greater than, no, I'll not just put in greater than, I want it to be between a range, okay. I want their age to be between age 10. So the least number somebody can enter is 10, and the highest is um, 90. Let's put 90. Okay. So custom error text. So you need people to get an error prompt so that they know what they are doing wrong if they are out of this range, you know. So let's put custom error. Let's write enter, or let's say your age should, or enter an age between 11 to 89. Okay, just for safety, 11 to 89. Enter age between 11 to 89. So that's our limit for people we are traveling, the customers that we have. Okay. So I can put required so that whoever feels this has to be filled so that you know it's it's not empty at the end of the day. So I'll add another question, okay? Add another question. So this first question, you can see short answer. You have to enter a number between 10 and 89. So the next thing is their preferred location. So preferred destination rather. Preferred, I believe this is how to spell preferred. Preferred destination. Okay, preferred destination. So this is going to be multiple choice. So I'll have options. Okay, so option one, Paris, enter. Option two, Tokyo. Option three, let's have New York. New York. Option four, let's have Sydney. Option five, let's have London. So I want a variety, okay? London. What else? Option six, let's have Berlin. Berlin. Let's have Rome. Let's have Rome. I think that's okay. So I'd have loved to put Barcelona. I'd have loved to put Singapore. You can put as many as you want. Okay, but just leave it at this. This is how many? I think this is 7. So I'll just leave it at this. Multiple choice. Okay. Also make it required so that people can't have that as empty. Okay. It can't be empty so far you're filling this form. So I'll add another question, and this would also be multiple choice. This would be travel mode. How do you want to travel? Okay, so I'll have just 3 options here: car, train, and airplane. I'll just put plane. Okay, plane. All right, car, train, and plane. And one more question: budget. Okay, budget. Now for the budget, I need it to be yeah, short answer. I'll also set it to a response validation. So I want number between um, let's have, you can't have zero budget. Okay, you can't have zero budget. So let's have a budget between 100 to 100 to let's say 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Okay, 100 to 5,000. Okay, so it's going to be the whatever number you enter there is going to be a number. Okay, so I say enter a value between 100 and 5,000. Okay, enter a value between 100 and 5,000. Have it required, and this is all. This is all I need. Okay, this is all I need. Okay, this is all I need. Age, preferred destination, travel mode, and then budget. So once this is done, all I need to do is I click on the 3 dots here. Okay, click on the 3 dots here and get prefilled link. Get prefilled link. So I'll click on get prefilled link, and this is the link to the form. Okay, this is the link to the form. So in case you want to give people, this is the link to the form. So you can scroll down, you see get link. Okay, I'll click on get link. All right, I'll click on get link. Or you know what? Let's edit this so that people know what the people are guided even from the question. So the question is a bit big. Okay, it's a bit big. So let me edit the form. So I'll click on that button at the bottom right. So let's come back here. So age, okay, age in bracket, I'll put, or let me just leave age. Age is, I think age is pretty straightforward. Budget is the one that is big. Okay, budget is the one that is doing. Let's put 100, 100 to 5,000. Okay, 100 to 5,000. All right. So let's have this. Okay, let's have this like that. So click on this again, get prefilled link, scroll down and click on get link. Okay, click on get link. Now, once I click on get link, it's telling me share this link, include prefilled link responses. So I'll click on copy link, and if I paste it in my clipboard now, paste it in a new tab. Okay, you can see it. I could easily fill it. Okay, I could easily fill it. So now, it's the same form. So let me fill it so that you then see what happens. Okay, let me fill this. Okay, so I want, beg your pardon. All right, sorry about that. So age, let me put 30. Paris is my preferred destination. I want to go by train, and my budget is $3,000. Okay, $3,000, and I click on submit. Now, once I click on submit, okay, once I click on submit, the response is recorded. So because I'm the one that created the form, or because you have created your own, okay, you can go back here, click on edit form, and you see responses. Okay, you can see there's a number, responses, meaning one person has responded. This is how you can track how many people have responded. So I'll click on responses and you'd see, you know, you see the response. Okay, 30, 100% Paris because it's just one person that has filled, 100% train because it's just one person that has filled. So this gives you a bit of analytics to even start with, but this is not what we are doing. Okay, and you can see the response here, 3,000. Okay, so now I want to have it in form of a Google Sheet. So all I need to do is to click here, link to Sheets, link to Sheets. So I'll click on link to Sheets, and I want to leave it at, um, create new spreadsheet. It's calling it untitled form. So I'll just call it travel, travel prep, travel prep. Okay, travel prep, click on create. And once I click on create, it opens up a Google Sheet for me, form of rows and column. And you can see I have, of course, it records the time that I filled it. And then you can see 11:37. You can see my time here just 1 minute ago. All right. So age 30, Paris. So as people feel, you get this. So this is what you now need to connect Power BI to, and you are good to go. So you can easily click on share and copy the link. And all I need to do is to use that link as my data source in Power BI. So let's see what you can do. So you can watch the video if you haven't already. If you are not in that session, I beg your pardon. So if you are not in that session, watch the video and create something interesting. Cheers.